Welcome everyone to our new blog. This is our first ever Metrorail travel experience. This is our first Metrorail project in Bangladesh. This project started on 26 June 2016. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina officially inaugurated the construction work of MIST 6 project. Through this, the construction work of Dhaka Metro started. MIRT 6 station and runway construction officially started on August 2, 2017. On this day, construction of 12 km runway and station from Uttara to Agargaon started. Finally, the Dayabari to Agargaon section of the first phase of the MIRT 6 line was inaugurated for public traffic on December 28, 2022 by Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, and she officially performed the first journey. It is the first Metrorail in Bangladesh, which was opened to the public on 29 December 2022. Today, I am very excited because this is my first Metrorail travel experience in my life, and that too in my country's first Metrorail. So let's enjoy our first Metrorail journey with us and stay tuned to our blog. If you like our blog, please encourage us to create more content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. So let's get started. It is Dhaka Mirpur 10 Metrorail station, and it has to be the ticket counter. We have to collect tickets from here. If you want, you can also collect tickets through card. I will take 2 tickets for both of us. We will go from Mirpur 10 to Pallavi. The ticket price of Metrorail from Mirpur to Pallavi is 20 Dhaka per person. We have collected our tickets, so let's move on to the platform. The platform is above. To enter the platform, the ticket has to be punched at the entry gate on the platform. We punch our tickets and head towards the platform. The platform looks very nice, clean, and eco-friendly. Our train has arrived. Let's go inside the train.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Wow, this is such a feeling of excitement and joy. I'm so excited. Finally, my wish to travel by Metrorail came true. Just look at the scenery outside. It's very charming. Watch and enjoy with us.
This train is bound for Uttara North. Next station is Pallavi. দরজাগুলো বাম দিক থেকে খুলবে। দয়া করে নিরাপদ দূরত্ব বজায় রাখুন। পল্লবী Doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap.
Finally, we reached our destination. First Metrorail travel experience in life, and I enjoyed it very much. It was really nice to travel on our first Metrorail in Bangladesh. Thanks to our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina for implementing such a beautiful project. It is indeed a matter of pride for our country. We are now at Pallavi Station. The first Metrorail journey of our life ended here. Now we are preparing to leave the station. Thank you all so much for sticking with us throughout the blog. Stay tuned for the next blog video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ending here for today with an invitation to watch the next video. Thanks everyone.